sa family mo, immigration family. Ang gusto ko mas kasi ito yung kaso na corona. Ito yung basa ng tinatawag na battery woman syndrome.
Oh,
Kasi paulit-ulit siya.
Once your fun is over, we can't find the signal. Oops.
Repeatedly,
sa court record.
yes. Hindi lubat sa tawag ng battery woman syndrome.
Piracy is no my talking tone friends. It is serious crime to pirate games according to copyright law. For more information, go to websites even committing piracy.
Lagi na lang siyang takot na yung sa sa record ng kanyang
Either you did or something. You so close this app and you didn't do it. Please close this app or else we will give you more punishment. Criminals are prohibiting on my Talking Tom friends. My Talking Tom friends are made good people and not criminals. Please close this app and Flash give you the ultimate punishment.
We have to admit, hindi po lahat ng marriages is all about teddy bears and bad advice. No?
Tama.
But when comes time na meron talagang ganito nangyari, yung repeated physical abuse, wala pang karapatan yung kanyang asawa. Nasabi niya, it's too much this, I want to get out of this marriage.
Yun ang punto mo. Na dapat ang pag-divorce ang nakabakal sa makatarungang dahilan